Worried a few failed subscription payments could trigger your account to be flagged? Many membership and coaching businesses run into this problem without realizing the risk. Here's an easy way to handle failed subscription payments. Drafting a polite email with a retry link keeps your clients informed and reduces friction. Even with this, multiple failed transactions can still raise red flags if your gateway is not set up to manage recurring billing. That's why EasyPay Direct offers recurring billing combined with decline recovery. Failed payments are automatically retried and approval rates optimized, helping you maintain a healthy merchant profile without the manual hassle. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. You will also benefit from white glove service, a dedicated contact to guide your account through any tricky payment issues. If failed subscriptions are stressing you out, EasyPay Direct makes it simple to recover payments automatically and keep your account safe. Use the link in the description to get started today.